Hi, it's Julien Barker here. I'm here with Kathy. Again, this is a bit of a follow-up session. A couple of weeks ago I had some lower back pain, we adjusted that, that's all sorted out. There was a bit of a knee issue, that's all sorted out. Kathy's just saying she's a little bit tight, kind of shoulders and under the arms, which is actually could be a specific thing worth testing. So we'll have a run through. Hopefully we won't find too much stuff. So up you jump. You are, from memory, a left PD, aren't you?
What?
Yeah. Okay, has anyone noticed the thing I do with my hands to work out where the couch goes to the right height? But yeah, there we go. I have a little routine for that. Okay, yeah, so good. Level in position 1, pretty much level in position 2. We record that as said, Kathy is historically left PD, so a 0 left 3. Which is, you know, what we're trying to get to. So squeeze your knees together and let go. If there is a secret, it's the 0, 3. I tend to be people to get regularly adjusted, and when I say regularly, minimum once every 6 weeks, every 4 weeks, every 2 weeks, possibly even every week. These are the people that you will get to level, and you can keep them level until something happens, and something is always going to happen. So, okay, so start with front of pelvis. So squeeze knees together and let go. Okay, left hand up behind your back. Do it just here. There is a position 4, which is the lateral, and you can just go straight in with the position 5 as it's called, which is testing for sets. I get nothing, so leave it well alone. Swap your hands around. Okay. So effectively I'm rattling quickly through position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands up behind your back together. So position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4, and then position 5. You can break down position 5 into doing either side, but to be honest, I do the first one or pick anything up and then you can retest to see if it's a specific side. I still get absolutely nothing. Both back down by side. So that's why I don't do it every time, because if it's there, it'll be there. Take your left hand up by your face. Big deep breath in and out. Right hand up as well. And both back down by side. Turn your head to the left. Okay, lift the left shoulder off the couch and back down. Shrug both shoulders up towards your ears and back down. Squeeze the left elbow flat against your side and let go. Squeeze the right one in and let go. Shrug your shoulders up and roll them back. Okay, head back into the centre. Okay, so if I'm being really fussy though, when I go to position 3, I'm getting a slightly left long there, which is a superior C7, so base of neck. So we'll go nice. I'll do this on setting 1. Just slightly tuck your chin down to your chest. And in the last video I was talking about how the superior inferiors, if they're going to be there, they'll be a little bit tender. C7 is the very obviously sticky out one as you come down the neck here. So possibly a bit of tenderness around here. Yeah, there you go. There was the, and the that Kathy did there is the which is the, I didn't think it was going to be until you put your finger on it, and then I could feel it type Was it that the right
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So just for you guys, let's just retest that. So turn your head to the left, turn your head back into the centre. Yep, there we go, good. Shrug both shoulders up towards your ears and back down. This is just chucking in a C6 test there. Lift up your head, back down. Yeah, no, good. Tuck your chin down to your chest, back to centre. Good. Turn your head to the right and head back into centre. Get to push your face down into the couch and and let go. Stretch your left hand towards your left knee, and let go. Do that again, and let go. It slightly went the first time. If you repeat it, this is a left QL, and it comes up again. Yeah, definite. So into the QL attachment on the 12th rib, and then on the iliac crest. Up and in, down and out. I was thinking Bugsy Malone, for those who remember, down, down, down and out, the film, the song in the film, but hardly anybody does, it would seem so. Loads of comments on that one, please. I remember Bugsy Malone now. Okay, so Kathy being a massive fan of Zumba, I'm a big fan of Zumba as well, but it definitely puts a lot of pressure on knees and ankles, and that tends to be, with all, in my experience, with all dancers, a bit like football players, it tends to be ankle and knee injuries that will shorten their enjoyment or their careers if they are not looked after. Look after them, and there we go. Goes on for much longer. And, well, if you are one of those people that dancing or football is the meaning of life to you, then you're not being checked regularly because you think everything's okay, don't be one of those people, because it will go wrong at some point. Okay, anterior tibia. So, good example. I'm picking up stuff here, Kathy's right knee, that she really didn't know much about. Good. Okay, so the under the armpit thing tends to be pulling into subscap or possibly teres minor, so let's run through those tests on both sides. PD tend to lead with the natural PD side, so drop the left arm off the side and up there, and just push towards your feet and push hard, and let go. Yeah, that one's pretty good. Push your elbow towards your hip, and let go. There we go. So we've got a left teres minor. So, excuse the poking around in the armpit. It's one of them spots. And just trying to find that teres minor tendon in there. It will be tight and usually pretty sore if you've got on it, which I think I have. Yeah. We'll go set in. I like to do these on set in 3. Could be 2, 3. Yeah. Okay, so let's go for the same on the other side. So drop the arm off the side there, push towards your feet, and let go. There we go. Particularly wild with the arm thrashing, was it, the last session? Yeah, good do. Yeah, it's not as tight on this side, but it's. Am I on it there?
Yeah, not as tight as this side now, but
definitely not. Also different muscle as well. So excellent. So there we go. So get your check if you love Zumba or football, get yourself checked regularly, because then you can do it more. And picking up problems before they actually are symptomatic, because when they're symptomatic, it's just harder. And when I say harder, I mean probably more expensive. Good. See you next time. Good.